Guys, this is Warrior Michael, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Pullback Entry. So, there are some kind of certain things that will happen in your trade like this. You say, no, let me just run away from this trade because this trade is going to actually go to the wrong direction that you're not expecting. So, if you check now on this trade now, check on this trade. If you come to this trade and check on it, you see some um you see all those tiny candlesticks that looks like threads that the trade is actually performing up there. All those tiny candlesticks that look like thread. So in that kind of trade, you see that if you come up here now, um, on this zone, on this up zone here, when you see those kind of things, you say, ah, no, this trade is actually going to reverse, and you want to leave that trade as soon as possible before it will go and hit your stop loss. So I took this trade yesterday on Monday, and now I'm going out. I'm going out of this trade because the trade is definitely going to reverse. Okay, so if you love my YouTube channel, you can well subscribe to this YouTube channel, the Pullback Entry, and I'll keep updating you on all trade that I'll be taking during the week. Please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like all my videos. Okay, thank you. So hello guys, I just took another trade now. It is the GPUSD. It is GPUSD. So why did I take this trade here now? Okay, so you can see at the 4 hours time frame. Okay, you can see what this trade did up here. That two hammerhead that it gave them. That two hammerhead that it gave them. So that two hammerhead is showing that that trade is definitely going to the sell direction. So, but we don't know how much we are going to actually gain from that particular trade. So, so it's actually going for the sell direction. So yes, then at the I now came at the and I came at the 1 hour, and I put my stop loss here. I put my stop loss at this point. This is where my stop loss is, and this is where the price is. So let's just see how this trade goes. Remember, I went out from the former trade that I took. So now I'm into this trade. And I'm sure that this trade is going to make a very, very good profit. A very, very good profit. Why I went out from that trade is because of what I was seeing. I was seeing candlestick that has a lot of thread on it. So that is why I went out of that particular trade. So now I'm into the GPUSD and we are going in for sell. So let's see how this trade goes. Okay. So still like my YouTube channel, subscribe, turn on the notification button, do everything you have to do to be on this channel. Make sure you do everything you have to do to be on this channel because I'll be teaching you how to enter into any pullback entry. In fact, this is a pullback. This is a pullback. I'll be teaching you how to enter into any pullback entry. So there's some certain things you will see that we say, yes, this trade is for real. Okay, so let's just wait for this trade as it goes for our sell. Thank you guys. And if you are lucky, okay. So hello guys, my name is William Mike and welcome back to my YouTube channel called the Pullback Entry. So as you can see now, I'm on profit on USD Swiss francs. So before I was talking about the GPU USD and the Australian USD. So if you see now, GPU USD is actually reversing for a buy, but I wasn't able to enter into that because of how the trade was consolidating on this zone, and the truth is that I hate consolidation trend. It was consolidating a lot on that particular zone, so I was not able to actually enter into that particular trade. Then for the Australian USD was just going down, down. Let's check it in the 1 day time frame. You see that I think it was pulling down, down, down. There is no pull, there's no pull up. It was just pulling for the sell zone, so there was not a little bit pull for a buy that I can look for an entry point there. So it was just pulling down. I wasn't waiting for a pull up for a buy, then I will enter for the sell. That's what I was thinking, but I didn't see any at all. So I just left it and say that I will not enter into that trade. Then let's go back again. Then I traded there was a trade that I casted, is the Euro USD. I traded this Euro USD, of which I'm going to show you guys. But we are seeing this kind of a consolidation trade here, and we are seeing a trade candlestick that was making trade there. So I knew that that trade is going to be a reversal. So I left that trade very early before it will hit my stop loss. And now I'm on a profit on the Euro Swiss francs. Euro Swiss francs. You can see that I'm a profit in Euro Swiss francs. So let me just explain to you why I enter into this trade. So I entered into this trade because if you see this zone here, take a look at this zone. This zone. I added my stop loss there. In fact, I thought that once trade reaches, go up to this point here, it's going to start selling immediately. But the market did not do like that. The market didn't perform like that. So what the market now did is that it now went up. It now went up here to this zone before it started selling. In fact, my eye was on this particular trade. It was on this particular trade too, but it was more on the GPUSD and the Australian USD. So that is how it just hit. That is how it thing just is. You will just come, you will analyze a particular chart, and at the ending, you see yourself not entering that particular chart. You see another good setup in another area, and you say, "Oh no, no, no! I'm not going to enter this. Let me enter that setup that is happening in the other area." Okay, so that is how we found ourselves on USD Swiss francs, on USD Swiss francs. I made some couple of losses. I made some losses on Euro Swiss francs, but I did not allow my loss to go to my. I did not allow those loss to hit my stop loss. I didn't allow it to hit there. So I saw that the trade is going to go for reversal, and I just went out immediately. And the GPUSD had some losses there because I thought that the trade is going to go for sell because of how it was performing. But eventually, I looked at it and I ran out. I ran away from the GPUSD, and I entered into the Euro Swiss francs. And now, I mean, we are taking a lot of profit on this. And eventually, I'm going to put my stop loss on this zone here. On this zone here, I'm going to go for my stop loss on that zone. So it's appropriate for me now to go for a break even. To go for a break even. So I'm going for a break even at 0.8890. But let me just put 0.8885. So let me go for a break even. So I won't have any kind of loss at all. 0.88885. Okay. So let me go for a break even now. Let me modify this now. 0.885 Modify. Okay. Modify. 0.8885. So I'm going for a break even on that. Then let me add my stop loss now, because the way I'm seeing this trade is going to give a massive sell. So let me put my stop loss here. So my stop loss will be at 0.8836. 0.8836. So let me go and modify now. Let me modify this. In fact, let me leave my stop loss where it is, because it's not going to stop me loss. All this break even, I don't. 0.8910. 0.8910. Then yeah, 0.8833. Okay. So 0.8910. 0.8833. Okay. Yeah, I'll leave it there. And let me go again. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, I don't know what I'm doing again actually. So sorry. So 0.8910, and here it will be 0.8833. So that is it. I opened another trade. Okay, let's just leave it like that. The trade is still going to go. Let's go to modify. I want to modify this trade. 0.8910 and 0.8833. Okay, so that is it. That is it. That is it. If this little trade we did here move, then we are very lucky. We are very lucky. We'll be very lucky. But we are smashing this trade on this take profit zone before the end of today. So let's just see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I don't know why I just went to one take. So if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell. Turn on the notification bell. So you'll be having all my videos. So you'll be having all my videos. You will see how I enter into chart. See how I enter into trade. You see that trading forex is not hard. It's easy. It's easy. You can be a swing trader. You can be a day trader. You understand? So mostly, sometimes I trade with the 4 hours time frame. Sometimes I trade with the 1 hour time frame. Whichever one that works out for me, I enter. So that is it. And like all my videos. I'll never stop saying this. Like all my videos, because I'm giving you good information here concerning this forex. Like all my videos. Like all my videos. Okay, thank you guys. Till we see next time.